Installing Valorant controller drift can enhance your gaming experience by improving your control and responsiveness. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your gaming system meets the necessary requirements for Valorant. This includes having a compatible controller and updated drivers for optimal performance. Step 2. Download the software. Visit the official Valorant website or a trusted source to download the controller drift software. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. Step 3. Install the software. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, ensuring that all necessary components are included. Step 4. Configure controller settings. Open the installed software and navigate to the controller settings. Adjust the sensitivity, dead zones, and other parameters to match your preferred gameplay style. Step 5. Test the setup. Launch Valorant and enter a practice match or custom game to test your controller settings. Make any necessary adjustments based on your experience to achieve the desired control. By following these steps, you can successfully install and configure Valorant controller drift, enhancing your gameplay. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.